Hey YouTube. Today's video, I'm gonna be putting illegal window tint on my car. Did already start taking the back window tint already off. I do just have to go to Target to get adhesive or remover or something. Supposedly it helps take off the tint that you already have, so we're gonna go get that, see if it takes it off so we can put this illegal window tint on. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. I already started peeling it. I don't even know if y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see it. Look at that. Nothing to a little bit tinted. We need it darker. So that's what we about to do. I'm about to go to Target right now, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to Target. So I found an acetone, as you can see. We're gonna see if this works. I mean, it says 100% acetone nail polish remover, but it's 100% acetone, so it should work. We're gonna see if this takes it off. Hopefully it does, because I am not gonna be driving my car around with that window tint on the way it is, as you guys seen when I started the video. So we came to get the acetone real quick, and we're gonna be going back to my car to do the window tint. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm back doing the window tint. All right, so I did take off some of the whole tint. I just gotta take out more of the glue. I need to get sharper razors because the razor that I have is not that sharp. It was taking me a while to get it off until I looked it up because this is my first time doing it. They said just use soapy water, and I did, and it was so much easier to just makes the glue softer, but you can see like right through this. This is garbage. Look at that. What the hell? No. We need it dark. It's gonna be getting dark soon, but I'm gonna hurry up and go get razors. And I think that's it. I need to quick get razors, and I need to get gas too. I'm gonna catch you guys when I get back and taking more of the glue off, or the rest of it, and then we'll start putting the window tint. Alright, so we came to Target to try and find those razors, but they only got a little selection of tools or whatever. So we're just gonna go to Lowe's, because they're 100% gonna have it. So we should have went there first, but oh well. So we're about to leave Target and we're about to go to Lowe's, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to Lowe's. Alright, so I'm back. We didn't even have to go to Lowe's. We walked over to Ross's because it was right next to Target. I found razors there, so we good. Back to the window tint. Let's go. So I gotta get the rest of the glue off, and then I can put illegal tint on my car. It's not even technically illegal because the rear, you can have them as dark as you want. The fronts you can't, but we might be putting the backs as dark as the front, which is only 2.5%. That's dark as fuck. But who cares? Get the glue off, because I'm tired of this damn glue. So I'm gonna set this up somewhere so then y'all can see the process. Alright, so I washed the window, got all the tape off. As you can see, that motherfucker is crystal clear. Look at this. I can see right through that. Ain't no spots, man. And then we got this limo, hold on, limo black. You know what I'm saying? 2.5, hold on, 2.5%. Come on, man. This about to be looking crazy. So we're about to put this on right now. or I'm about to just put it like on the window type thing, cut it out, and then put it on. I forget on how to like put it or like lay it out, you know what I'm saying? So I might just, I'm new, so I'm looking this up as I go too, because I want to learn how to do it, but I'm just gonna document on me learning how to do it and doing it, you know what I'm saying? I think I just take like a part out, or take a little bit out, put it like on the window and then cut it out, you know what I'm saying? I don't see why that wouldn't be. I might cut out the top first, maybe, or that might be the easiest part. Let's do the bottom actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do the bottom first and then I'm gonna do the top. The top should just be easy. Yeah, let's do that. So we're gonna pick a piece out, spray it with water and the soap, whatever, and spray the film thing too, so it could just slide everywhere. Basically, I could put it where I need it to be. So I'm gonna do that. So let me get the film out and everything, and I'm just gonna get it to the where like how big the window it is, and then I'll bring you guys back and I'll show y'all cutting it at the bottom and the top and whatever else. So let me do that first and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, so I'm back. It is the next day. So I did get the window tint on. I did it last night, so here it is. You can not see through that. That's how I want it. There's a little bit of mess ups. You know, it's my first time. This was like my third try. You could, if you can see, like right here, right there, I messed up a little bit, a little air bubble. Let me see if you can see this. Right here, little line, little couple over here, but if you open it, you can see them a little bit right here, right there, and like right there. I don't really care. Like, yeah, there's little bubbles, but I'm gonna be able to get those out. I'm gonna probably just get like a heat gun, because I looked it up and it said that you can use like the squeegee thingy and get them out. I'm probably gonna get that to get them out. For my first try, it's not that bad. I've seen people had their window tint crazy air bubbles, like it was crazy. Maybe once it settles, like there'll be more air bubbles. Hopefully not. I hope not, but we're about to do the other side, the passenger rear. So we're about to do that one, where I'm gonna be doing the big window. I can do that. That's not gonna be probably hard. Plus, I don't even really care if that one is like messed up or anything, just because it's a little window, nobody's gonna be paying attention to it. Plus, you can't even roll it down. You can't do anything with it, so who cares? I'm gonna start the process on the passenger rear, take it off, and then cut it and put the tint on. So let's see how that goes. Just got done cutting out the tint for the window. Forgot to record it, but so right now I'm about to put it on. I'm gonna clean the window one more time, and then I'm gonna show y'all me putting the tint on. I'm gonna start from the top and work my way down. Yeah, I'm gonna start from the top and then work my way down with the window tint. Cause then I feel like at the top, when you're putting a window tint, you have it lined up, you squeegee it a little bit, take the plastic off, and then you can roll the window up and put the bottom in. That's how I did it last time, so I'm gonna do it that way again, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back with you guys when I'm gonna start putting the tint on, but I'm gonna clean the window about 1 or 2 more times just to make sure there's no, dust or just anything left over. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so now I'm putting on the tint. As you can see, wet it good enough. Soak that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, then hopefully this goes right. I got the plastic off a little bit, but it wants to be a pain in the ass. fingerprints, but I don't know what else to freaking do. This is not gonna go good. This is not. Nope. Ugh. Why is this harder than what it looks? Like,
It's your first time, though. You're doing a good job.
yeah, I guess so.
Sit down.
Okay, so I kind of got it lined up.
Okay.
So maybe it's a little bit extra, but we're gonna try and tuck it in. I'm gonna keep get this squeegee. Oh shit, that wasn't good.
Way to go.
You got it. You turn the mic on?
Yeah.
Oh.
This sun is sunning
All right,
today.
so now I'm gonna put the window up. Maybe not. Let's not do that yet. Move it just a little. I want it to stay, so when I do put it up, tuck it in as best as you could. Hey, listen, I'm learning as you guys go. You know what I'm saying? We doing this together.
Don't got nothing better to do.
So see, I already messed up. But
Really?
learning as you go. Yeah, see, I fucked it up. So bring it back down. Wet it a little bit.
You gotta bring it up on the other side.
I know.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
Why was the other side so much easier? I don't understand. Why was the other side easy? It's like I'm
Got
trying to
back
sit down
muscles.
and do this.
What's he doing?
Why is this big ass crease? We might have fucked it up, so we might have to try it again.
Yeah, probably have to.
Yeah.
And there she be.
Yeah, see, it's all, it won't even do it.
Alright, well then I would take it off before it dries.
It's not going to, but I want to see how it's going to come out.
I mean, it might come out better if you put it at the bottom and tuck everything in, you know what I mean?
That's what I'm trying to do, but no, this side I didn't cut. Nope, I already fucked it up. It's too much over here, that's why. Fuck!
Okie doke.
Hold on. Yeah, look at it. It already crimpled right there. So even if I do it, it's gonna show those. So that's what you could look for, right here, and right here, and right here. So don't try and get these. So I got these, and there was really big, and there's gonna be more. That's gonna be directly, literally at the window. I don't want that. So garbage. We got one more try. That's it. So I'll be back with you guys when we cut out the other piece and try and get it on.
We cut the other piece.
Yep. All right, so I just got done with the window tint. I did the 2 rears. I couldn't do the trunk. I tried multiple times. I kept failing, so I just gave up because I wasn't going to keep buying window tint. But I did get these done. So as you can see, you cannot see anything in it. Outside, I mean, looking from the inside to outside, it's like bluish. I don't know why, but you can't see in it. It's 2.5% limo tint I put in the rears. So this is on both sides. Go to the other side. I tried this, I couldn't do it. So I didn't know there was gonna be like this curvy part right here, and then in the inside it was just gonna be, this was a pain in the ass. It was just too much. But these I got, yep, this is the other side, passenger rear, same thing. So those 2 are done. So window tint install is complete for the rears. So that's going to be today's video for the window tint install, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.